up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's a 21 GT automatic, of course, Whipple Supercharger. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We are going to go over some other mods that we did to this car. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, before we go down and look at this awesome supercharger, a couple things. So if you have a 15 to 17 Mustang or GT, or maybe a 350, or you have the 18 to present, we need normally always have the Whipple Superchargers in stock. So you can help out on our website, and then I'll put a link in this description. So everything we talk about right here, you can just click on and read a lot more about it. But Doug, come down, take a look. So what we did is the Stage 2 kit. So they do offer a Stage 1 and Stage 2. This has the big 132 throttle body. Of course, nice big air induction system. We are running the 3.875 pulley that comes on the kit. This is also running the Whipple calibration and 93 octane. Really good way to make power, you know. This thing's gonna lay down just under 700 raw horsepower through the automatic. Most of the manuals go up over 700. We have stock exhaust manifolds on this. No headers today. We have billet oil pump gears. We did our big Adler radiator, rear solenoid cooling kit. And this particular client wanted a couple other upgrades. We have an aluminum drive shaft from DSS, set of half shafts, some IRS upgrades from BMR. And if you wonder what's this cost to get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before you look at these numbers, I will put a link at the end of this. You can just like click on it and watch a bunch of other 18 and up Mustang, or other year as well, but Whipple videos. You can see all that, different dyno numbers with headers, without, maybe 85, big fuel system. This is just 93 auto, the Stage 2 kit. Doug, look at this. 690 raw horsepower, peaking at 7,800, Dynojet SAE, torque's 519, peaking at 6,000, but this car kept spinning on the dyno over and over. So if you look at this curve, I know it looks weird, but this is just us getting into it really slow. We do run into this sometimes. We run into it more on Roush kits than we do with the Whipples, because Roush has about 2 more pounds of boost than the 10 the Whipple comes with. But we had to lay into it slow, get wide open right up here, and then there you go, 690 raw horsepower. Fun street car. These kits with the Whipple cal, you can run 91 or up octane. We're running 93 today. You could even run 93 with boostane if you wanted. You could do 93 with boostane, get you up around 100 octane. The knock sensors will add a little bit more timing, which they do, because I see it all the time here on the dyno with their cal to get a little bit more power. So hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And don't forget, we typically have Whipples in stock. We also have Roushes in stock. We can ship them right to your door. Come in for that install. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.